Every chef has a secret weapon. A kitchen workhorse that can chop, slice, knead, and puree in seconds. But with so many promises, which one truly delivers? We bought the 4 most hyped food processors of 2025. We put them through hell. And what we discovered will change how you cook forever. One failed under pressure. One has a hidden flaw no one talks about, and one emerged as the undisputed champion. All the links to get the best one for your kitchen are waiting in the description below. Starting at number 1. The best food processor. Model has a pared-down design, so it's easier to use and to clean than models with more settings or multiple bowls. It comes with a handful of necessary accessories and discs for completing common kitchen tasks, but nothing extra. This food processor also has a straightforward interface, with just 2 buttons and 1 bowl, but its simplicity doesn't come at the cost of performance. In our tests, the Cuisinart 14 Cup tackled a multitude of chopping, shredding, and blending tasks exceptionally well, and it's built more solidly than many other processors available for under $250. Number 2. More frills, better slicing. Compared with our top pick, the Cuisinart Core Custom 13 Cup food processor has more frills, more settings, several sizes of food pusher, and an adjustable slicing blade, which slices far thinner than the one-size slicing disc that comes with our top pick. But this machine took longer to dice ingredients like almonds and onions. Otherwise, it performs quite similarly to our top pick. If our top pick is sold out, or thinner slicing is a priority for you, the Core Custom 13 Cup is a great option, especially if it's on sale for less. Its blades and slicing discs nest in an included storage hub that fits inside the bowl, so you won't be overwhelmed by additional storage containers or miscellaneous loose attachments. Number 3. The best mini food processor. A mini chopper won't replace a full-size processor. But if you want to use one to make sauces or spreads alongside the occasional dice, the Cuisinart Core Custom 4 Cup Mini Chopper is the one for the job. This mini chopper is a half cup to a full cup larger than most mini food processors. So an entire quartered or halved onion easily drops into the processor, whereas other food processors require a bit of wedging and shoving to accommodate larger ingredients. This food processor also has dual drizzle holes that are nested in a deep channel, which spans the entire lid. So it's far easier to drizzle liquids into this machine than it is in mini food processors that have only a single, shallow drizzle hole. The Core Custom 4 Cup excelled at chopping onions and making mayonnaise, and it did well dicing almonds, tomatoes, and garlic. However, this food processor underperformed on herbs, tearing parsley into uneven pieces rather than chopping it cleanly and evenly. Number 4. Big and powerful with many accessories. At twice the price of our top pick, this large, accessory-laden food processor is far more than most people need. But if your cooking involved recipes for a crowd several times a week, you have the counter space, and you love using food processors and want a premium upgrade, the Breville Sous Chef 16 food processor is a luxurious, powerful model to consider. It diced ingredients exceptionally evenly, with an especially impressive performance on fine herbs, and its adjustable slicing disc can quickly and quietly churn out millimeter-thin slices of potato. The hefty base and powerful motor can handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. Triumphant, satisfying music kicks in, and there you have it. The champion has been crowned. Whether you're a meal prep pro or a weekend baker, your perfect kitchen partner is now clear to make your life easy. We've compiled all the links to check the latest prices and models for each of these food processors in the video description. Just click the one you like best. If the Showdown saved you hours of research, please hit the like button and share this video with a friend who loves to cook. It helps us out more than you know. Subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, because next week we're testing the world's most dangerous blenders. You won't believe what happens. Thanks for watching.